The removal of trees near high-voltage power lines requires experts, as dead trees pose a risk of falling, causing damage or injury. Safety is of utmost importance in situations like these. This is an extremely dangerous situation that happened before we could control the direction of the falling tree. Between La Dorée 2012, Michel Tremblay 11, and Excavation Val d'Or was like a fierce battle between two steel giants, where strength and technique were showcased in spectacular fashion. Unbelievable. A greedy wild elephant blocked passing trucks to steal sugarcane. With its bold nature, it created a surprising and humorous situation as it sought food, leaving drivers to face a rare sight on their journey. TT-4, a symbol of Soviet strength, demonstrated its superior capability by hauling timber loads weighing up to 40 tons. With its sturdy design and powerful engine, this vehicle showcased top-tier engineering and resilience in the harsh, snow-filled conditions of winter. The old forest buzzes with the sound of logging trucks. Dust clouds rise from the red dirt ground. Each log journeying from the deep forest to the mill travels a long path to become building materials, serving life's needs. By building a homemade bandsaw from scrap materials, you can efficiently produce lumber at home. With simple tools and creativity, creating a bandsaw optimizes the woodcutting process, turning ideas into tangible products. A modern harvester, operates efficiently in urban areas. This machine enables quick and safe wood harvesting, making it ideal for construction and landscaping projects in city environments. CLL log loader excels at handling 8, 9, and 10-foot logs. This equipment optimizes the wood loading process, ensuring efficiency for forestry projects and quick, safe timber transport. Of the Mercedes 2651 and MAN TGS 26480 are two robust trucks designed for heavy-duty transport tasks. Both feature strong engines and high load capacities, meeting transportation needs while ensuring performance and durability in all conditions. The Allis-Chalmers Bulldozer Beast showcased its superior strength as it took down a massive tree. With its powerful engine and excellent control, this bulldozer easily handles the demolition of large obstacles, proving its efficiency in logging and construction projects. Seasoned lumberjack, our machines work tirelessly, swiftly stripping the bark from the logs, preparing them for their next journey, and contributing to improved logging efficiency. With 1,000 visitors a day waiting, their safety is the top priority. Sherbrooke Tree Service is facing a daunting challenge as they work to remove a heavily leaning ancient tree, protecting the skywalk and the precious ecosystem of Tahune. Engines, the clanking of iron chains, and the commands of the crew blend together to create the distinctive symphony of the port. The big barge, loaded with timber, slowly moves into position, ready for the spectacular unloading performance. visibility was limited, and the driver was tense like a tightrope. The truck slid through the mud, and each jolt made his heart skip a beat. When the vehicle tilted sharply, grazing the tree, a cold sweat broke out. He knew he was standing at the edge of life and death. The V8-powered hot saw tore through the forest air, sparks flying as the tree toppled in an instant, leaving behind smooth, clean cuts. Each day in the pine forests of Ørnsköldsvik, the Eco Log 590D and Logmax 7000C come together to create an industrial symphony. The roar of engines and the sound of saws cutting through wood blend with the ocean waves, forming an impressive scene of labor. In the ancient forests, the sight of horses pulling logs and palm cranes working in harmony creates a stunning picture. The strength of the horses, combined with the precision of the palm cranes, has created an efficient and environmentally friendly method of logging. With skilled hands, the operator maneuvers the Valmet 890.2 across the steep hillsides of Spokane, Washington. Despite 30 centimeters of snow, the machine remains steady, hauling tons of Douglas fir logs, turning the ancient forest into a massive worksite. The Logset Titan H8, with its powerful hydraulic system and precise cutting head, makes logging effortless. This machine efficiently handles large quantities of trees in a short time, ensuring high productivity even in harsh forest conditions. The Cisaille Forestière and Abattage d'Arbres is a groundbreaking solution in forestry. With its sharp cutting blades, this modern machine boosts productivity by up to 30%, felling dozens of large trees per hour, even in the densest forests.